Hello everyone, welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products, the chest freezers right here. Let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The unit's about like a 22.5 inches in the width, and they include the backside had a hinge. It's about like a 22 inches in the depths. And the entirely about like a 33 inches tall. And as you can see the front, we have a controller at the bottoms. They have a levels from 1 to 7, and also you're having the power lights, and the also having the running notice lights, alarm lights right here, and the water drinks at the front. And let's take a look at the unit's backside. You can see we have the unit cut sheets right here, and also having the US 110 standard plugs right here. And let's go over to take a look at the inner side. Let's take a look at the inner side overall dimensions. So as you can see, the heads with gaskets on it, they can prevent the cold air when it runs out. I see the measurements. Entirely about like a 17 inches in the width. And this size about like almost 15 inches. And depth about like a 26 inches. They also have a small stage inner side to put the compressors underneath. And this about like a 9 inches tall for this edge. We also come in with one basket and thermometers right here. The basket about like 8.5 inches wide, and this size about like a 14 inches, and the almost like a 7.5 inches tall. This is all information for the inner side. Thank you for watching these videos. If you have more questions, please contact with us.